I'm studying in High School of Economics. I'm second year student, and my major is Korean studies and Korean language. Всем привет, меня зовут Дарина, мне 19 лет, и я сейчас в Сеульском национальном университете на программе обмена. Изучаю здесь корейский и корейскую культуру, и меня пригласила моя знакомая, тоже, которая учится в Сеуле, чтобы продемонстрировать мне корейский макияж.
Did you have anything in your mind about, like, when you think about Korean makeup, maybe you might want something like about Korean makeup? I wanted to try like this, like
Maybe like just thin wings and like this cat eye style.
I like natural but
Yeah.
edged in some points. Okay.
And cute.
And cute. This is my favorite pink color blush. It looks like a mauve pink, but once you apply it, it's like by CoverGirl. We'll just like dab it with the, because it's not that pigmented, but at the same time, which means it's really natural. So do you do blush often? I think this blush like looks good on everyone, but looks different to everyone. Is I'm looking at the mirror. Yeah. Like this pink color. Do you see that? Can you see it? Okay, we have the pink color over there. And then we'll try to apply this, where's the more vivid color blush in the point area. Okay, and we'll do the eye makeup. So I did the blush first to like look at the blush while doing the eye makeup to make it go all together really well. So this is just you know, the name of this eyeshadow's color is like, can you read this?
Miss Flirt.
It's like Famous Flirt by Buxom. Oh my. Yeah, it's like Famous Flirt. Seriously? I don't know why. It's like, it doesn't look like a flirt. It's just a beige color. I just want to go directly into eyeshadow, but at the same time I want some effects that the eye primers give. So I use this kind of like high quality base eyeshadow that actually do the work which the eye primers do. Can you open your eye? Smile. Okay, we'll apply in the under eye. And blow it once, and like mostly in the middle. Okay. No, in the middle. No, in the middle and the inner corners, not the outer corners. Go inwards. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you give me?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay. You can I feel like yeah, I'm not it should be inside you. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna pull it out. Can you open? Okay.
What kind of product did you use? This is really natural looking. Peripera. You're listening? My shade is Peripera. Peripera should be big more. Because our shade is really good. Do you like groom your eyebrow every day? Yeah, that's right. Today. So, some eyebrow. The image really changes with the eyebrow color. Like, you want to look like a real makeup person?
You said you don't really use highlighter.
I don't.
You don't. How does it feel like to a stranger tickling your nose? Just for the sake of makeup? It's like this. Yeah, really cute, right? Shake it. Can you? I'll just show you these colors. You're like, oh, you're gonna be more surprised to look at this then. 만만. 만만. 아! It smells like chocolate. So this is our makeup today, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And do you want something to say?
Visit Russia.
Visit Russia, especially where?
St. Petersburg.
St. Petersburg.
I'm from Moscow, but I think for travelers, St. Petersburg is better.
Better than Moscow?
Like more places.
What do St. Petersburg have? What does it have? What do you recommend?
Museums and palaces. I know many Koreans love shashlik.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But better than that, you have some recommendations.
Some maybe cheese or fish, or it's called chepureki.
Chepureki?
Yeah.
Can you say bye bye?
In Russian?
Yeah.
До свидания.
Oh, that's so difficult. Can you say slowly? I'm gonna do it together.
До свидания.
До
свидания.
свидания. Okay, 1, 2, 3. До свидания.